Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional, not in today's newspaper on Thursday, March the 14th, 2024. We have no extra puzzles, no additional. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper, Wednesday, March the 13th, 2024. We have here 3 puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the jigsaw Sudoku with 1 star. Yeah. All right. The first one I will solve will be this one, the Sudoku with the letter Sudoku, and this will be number 8191. 8191. Yeah. Let me zoom this. All right. Eight one 9-1. Before I start, I always count the printed, in this case, letters. 27 printed letters. Usually for a letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. We'll see if I can manage this to solve this letter Sudoku. The letters that I can use are unique letters. The A, the C, the E, the H, the K, the L, the N, the T, and the Dutch Y. And the goal is to solve this word in the third column. Well, the third column. So let's get started then. All right. Let me see. We have the E in this column. E in the last column. E in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. We have an E in this row. No E there. E should be here. 4 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the K and a T. We have a K and a T in this column, so no K and a T in these 2 boxes. K and T goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, the other pair in this big square are the letters O is missing, and the letter Dutch Y. O and the Dutch Y. O and the Dutch Y. No, not the O. The not the O. It's the H is missing here. We need a H here. Yeah. Not the O, the H. Okay. Here we have 2 missing letters in this column for the letters. Well, we have an N in this column, N in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the N should be there. So 1 letter is missing in this column. For letter L is missing here. Alright. So we have a K in this row, K in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only place left for the K should be here. 3 missing letters in this big. Oh no. No. Need a H here. Need a C. C-K-T. Well, we have in this column 1, 2, 3 missing letters. 2 of those missing letters are the K and T. We have K and T in this big square, so no K and T in this box. K and T goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. K and T, K and T. Well, we have a K in this row, no K there. K should be here. And a T goes there. So I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a K and T. We have a K now, so this should be the T. 1 box left in this column for the letter C. 2 missing letters in this big square for letter C and C and L. C and L. CL. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. That's Y and H. Alright. Okay. So we have an A in this column, A in the second column. So the fifth column, no, only 2 places left for the A should be here or there. We have an A in the first row, no A there. A should be there. How about need an N here. Need an L here. Need a T there. You see, yeah, C in this column, third column, C in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for C should be here or there. We have a C in this row, no C there. C should be here. Then E in the first row, E in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. We have an E in the first column, no E there. E should be here. And I need the E here. This is C. Alright. L in this row, L in the third row, so the row between second row, the only place left for the L should be there. L, L. Need an L here. Well, 3 missing letters in the middle row, one of the missing letters, the L. We have an L in the third column, no L there. Here can be the L, we have an L in this column, no L there. So the only place left for the L should be there. So, need a T here in the middle row, and I need a N here. No, we have an N. T and the E. T and the E. I'm missing T-E. Well. Three missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the K. We have a K in the first row, no K there. We have a K in the first column, no K there. Only place left for the K in this big square should be there. K in this column, K in the second column, so the fifth column, the only 2 places left for the K should be here or there. We have a K in this row, no K there. K should be there. Need a K here. Need a K here. Okay. So we have an L in this column, L in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the L should be here or there. We have an L in this row, no L there. L should be there. L. Need an L there, okay. Need a C here. Need an A here. Need a T there. Alright. Need an H here. That's Y is missing here, and the N is missing. That's Y and N. We have an N in this row, no N there. N should be here, and that's why it goes there. Okay. So 2 missing letters here in this column for letters. T is missing. And the N is missing. T and N. We have an N in this row, no N there. N should be here, and the T goes there. Okay. N in the third column, N in the first column, so the column between only 2 places left for the N should be here or there. We have an N in the last row, no N there. N should be there. So 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. That's why it's missing, and the H is missing. Well, I know that that's why. No, I know that the H cannot be here, but let me mark this. So two missing letters in the last row. Here we have a pair. The other pair should be the A and the E is missing. A and the E, A and the E. Here also two missing letters in this row. For the letters T is missing, and C is missing. CT. Okay. Then let me think. Here also the E and the T is missing. E and the T. Let me mark those. E-T. Well. H and that's why we have a that's why in the third row. No, that's why there. That's why should be here. And H goes there. Two missing letters in the first row for letters. That's why and C is missing. Okay. Here also two missing letters in this row for letters. A is missing, and T is missing. A and T. Here we have an A. Here we have an A. That means in this column the A should be in one of those two boxes. Because here can be an A, we have A in this row, no A there. Here can be an A, we have A in this row, no A there. Here cannot be an A, we have A in this row, no A there. So the A could be here, could be there. Here or there we see another A in this row, no A there. A should be there. And we have a T in one of those two boxes here, also a T in one of those two boxes. That means in this column the T should be there. Because here can be T, we have a T in this row, no T there. Here can be a T, we have a T in this row, no T there. Here can be T, we have a T in this row, no T there. So the only place left of the T in this column should be there. And I've marked those two boxes, E and T. We have a T in this big square, so here can be T anymore. This box should be an E. And one box left in the middle row for letter T. Alright. And now, that's why in the C. Interesting. Then. Well, C and L need a H, Y, that's Y, and I need a E in this column. We need a E. Here can be an E. We have an E in this row, no E there. So the E in this column could be here or there. Here an E, there an E. We have an E in this row, no E there. E should be there. Alright. So the H and the that's Y should be here. The H and the that's Y. And one missing letter then should be the L is missing here. Yep. Could be here, could be there. Let me think. That's why in the C. 1, 2, 3. So I need one letter. K is missing in this column. Here can be K. K could be here, could be there. Yeah. That's why the N is missing here. Yeah. We have an N in this row and in the middle row. So no row above the only two places left for the N. Could be here, could be there. Need a C here also. Well, the C is one of these three boxes. Here can we see, we have a C in this row, no C there. Here can we see in this column, we have, in this column, we need a C. Here can we see we have a C in this row, no C there. Here can we see we have a C in this row, no C there. Only place level the C in this column should be there. So I've eliminated the Dutch Y, so the Dutch Y should be here then. So what are these? Yeah, need a Dutch Y in this column. Well, we have a Dutch Y in this big square, so no Dutch Y in this box. So the Dutch Y should be here then. Alright, one letter is missing in this column for the letter K is missing here. Yeah, K is missing. Two missing letters in this big square for letters. H is missing, and the letter K is missing. H and a K. We have a K in this column, no K there. K should be here, and the H goes there. Alright. So two missing letters in this big square for letters H and N is missing here. Yeah. N and H. We have an H in this column, no H there. H should be here. And the N goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with N. We have an N in this column, so no N. The N should be here. So two missing letters in this big square for the letter C is missing. And Dutch Y, C and a Dutch Y. We have a Dutch Y in this column. No Dutch Y there. Dutch Y should be here. And C goes there. C and L, we have a C in this row. No C there. C should be here. And the L goes there. Two missing letters. The H and the Dutch Y. We have a Dutch Y in this row. No Dutch Y there. So the Dutch Y should be here. And the H goes there. So the solution is nachtelijk in 17 minutes. Nachtelijk. In English, nocturnal. Yeah, nocturnal. Alright, let me continue. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. L is missing and that's why we have a L in this row. No L there. L should be here and that's why it should be there. One box left in this big square for letter H. Let me see. That's Y and H. We have a that's Y here in this row. No, that's Y there. That's Y should be here. And H goes there. Okay. C and a T. We have a C in this column. No C there. C should be here. And a T goes there. A and a T. We have a T in the middle column. No T there. T should be here. And A goes there. And the last two missing letters, the A and the E. We have an A in the middle column. No A there. A should be here. And the E goes there. Finished in 18 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a letter Sudoku. And we solve it again. We solve it again. Nachtelijk in English, nocturnal. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the other two puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.